My name is Matthew, I'm Serbian in Bosnia. I live in a mixed town of Bosnia where Serbs and Bosniaks live together. But during the war tensions are high, even with your neighbor friends. The weather is nice and warm, summer arrived early this year. It looks like Croatian has started shelling positions of Serb forces. We often have NATO Air Force bombing our cities during night times. This war is something else. It's not about victory, it's about cleaning of ethnicities. It looks like our AA managed to down one of NATO's plane. I love to get up early. Summer mornings are something else. Fresh air and nature. Since I'm close to river, you just have to love it. They're probably going to the front. I heard that real war is coming closer and closer to my city. Some days we get waked up by artillery shooting in distance.
Hey Matthew, wanna come over to my place? Fedya and I are drinking beer together. Wanna join us?
Sure. Fedya and Steve are my childhood friends. They're brothers, but right now there are tensions since they are Muslim Bosniaks living in Serbian major neighborhood.
So Matthew, any news about Serb focus? I am scared that we are gonna get detained just for being Bosniaks here.
Sorry Steve, I don't know anything, but I suggest you to pack up and leave as soon as possible. The war is coming closer.
Pack up and leave? Matthew, this city is our birthplace. I was born here. If it's needed, I will die here also.
Alright, but please be careful. You two are still my brothers even with this war going on.
Thank you Matthew, but I am scared that won't be for too long. War changes people.
We sat there in awkward silence, thus I was preparing to go home as soon as possible. Serb forces are returning from the front. I guess it was pretty tense for them.
Koja avala znam gde je ulica Lazara Kujutića neka javi.
My friends got detained and I think Fedya is dead. God damn it, this swore I can be alive it. Some armed militia that looks like Volaunder guards are passing by. I think I will stop with documenting here. I will continue in few days.